Welcome to TechnoTutor TV. Are you new to YouTube TV and feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry. This easy tutorial is designed just for you. We'll walk you through the basics so you can start watching your favorite live TV channels in no time. First, you'll need to sign up for YouTube TV. You can do this by going to tv.youtube.com on your computer, phone, or tablet. Follow the steps to choose a plan and enter your payment information. Many new users get a free trial, so it's a great way to test it out. Once you're signed up, you'll need the YouTube TV app on your devices. If you're using a smart TV or a streaming device like Roku or Fire TV, go to its app store and search for YouTube TV. Download and install the app. If you're using a phone or tablet, you can find the app in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. After the app is installed, open it and sign in with the same Google account you used to subscribe. Just enter your email and password. Now, let's take a look at the main parts of the app. You'll usually see a few tabs at the bottom or on the side. The Home tab shows you recommendations and things you might like to watch. The Live tab is like a TV guide where you can see all the channels and what's currently playing. The Library is where your recorded shows and movies are saved. And the Search tab lets you find specific content. To watch live TV, go to the Live tab. You can scroll through the channels and click on any show to start watching. You'll have basic controls like pause, rewind, and fast forward. One of the best things about YouTube TV is the ability to record shows. When you're in the Live guide, click on a show. You'll usually see an option to Add to Library. This will record the show for you to watch later in the Library tab. YouTube TV gives you unlimited recording space. Here are a couple of simple tips to get you started. Take some time to explore the different channels in the Live guide to see what's available. Also, check out the Home tab for suggestions. It can help you discover new shows. That's the basics of getting started with YouTube TV. It's designed to be easy to use, so don't be afraid to click around and explore. We hope this beginner's tutorial from TechnoTutor TV has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.